Let's learn mulesoft. Today I will show you how to use idempotent filter to avoid duplicate messages. We first create a flow like this to accept data over HTTP. If we have accepted the message, we log that to console. I have set employee ID as the uniqueness criteria. Input would be a JSON payload. Observe that while deploying the mule project, a connection is made to WSTL link and also a WMQ port. If you have multiple mule flows within your mule project, the dependency of all those flows and connectors will be checked first before deploying your project. We pushed a JSON message as input and Mule has recorded that in its logs. Let's try pushing the same message again. If you configure idempotent filter to throw exception, then you would see this message when you pass in duplicates. You can also provide 200 status code with custom message as shown here. Message can be dynamic, wherein employee ID is accessed from input while creating the output message. In order to do that, for custom message, you have to catch the exception generated by idempotent filter and use a set payload to form the message as shown here. As always, my project source code is available in GitHub, link in video description.